Alright, so the last thing we have to do is we have to rotate these so that the yellow is on the correct facing up, and then we finish the cube. So we are going to do these two first. So we spin the right side, and then we're following this edge, this middle slice. So we're going to move the middle slice only around 2 times, and then we're going to rotate the right side 2 times, and we're going to move the middle slice back 1 time only, and then we turn the right side back up, and then we rotate the top to the next piece we need to fix, and in this case it's this one, but it could also be this red one. So we could do the red one, and then we would do the opposite of what we just did. So now we're going to rotate the right side towards us once. We're going to move the slice 1 time away. We're going to rotate the right side back 2 times. We're going to move the middle slice back 2 times. And then we're going to rotate the right side back. And now we've fixed these 2 here. So we can do the same with the blue and the green. So we rotate it away from us once, and rotate the slice 2 times, rotate the right side 2 times, bring the slice back 1 time, and then we move that up to the top, rotate the top until we find the next piece that needs to be fixed. And then we do the reverse, so we rotate that one once, move it away in the middle slice, rotate the right side 2 times, move the middle slice back 2 times, and turn the right side face up. And now we finish the cube.